The Little Cough by Ursula Dubosarsky. There was a cough, and then another. The little cat ran to her mother. "What can we do?" "Well, wash your paws and all your claws. We'll stay inside and shut the door. You'll laugh and hide and read and draw. And think of all the games you'll play. You'll sleep and eat, and then one day you'll see the door is open wide, the sun will shine, you'll run outside. Just look at how I've grown, you'll say, since all the time I've been away. So, wash your paws and don't feel blue. The little cat knows what to do. And wait until the morning when our big old world is right again. Now, your job, everyone, is to learn the Little Cough poem. Think about how you can use a nice, clear, expressive voice, using lots of different and interesting facial expressions, and using different types of pace and pause, and lots of lovely, clear articulation as well. Have fun learning your poem.